One UI 8.5 isn't just another update, it's the moment Samsung shows the world how far software design, AI intelligence, and user experience can truly evolve on a smartphone. For months, leaks hinted at a major visual change, but nobody expected Samsung to refresh the entire interface with cleaner animations, more fluid transitions, deeper customization, and next-generation AI tools built directly into the system. And that's exactly why the tech community is shocked. This update isn't subtle, it's transformative. The kind of upgrade that makes your phone feel brand new even if the hardware hasn't changed at all. So today we're exploring everything inside One UI 8.5, the design changes, the hidden features, the new animations, the AI tools, the performance improvements, and why this update might be the most satisfying One UI version in years. From the moment your screen lights up, One UI 8.5 instantly feels different. Samsung has introduced a new liquid motion animation style that makes every gesture feel more natural and smooth. Opening apps has a soft elastic effect, switching between apps looks more layered and realistic, and even closing apps creates a subtle camera depth blur. It's the kind of animation polish you normally only see in concept videos, but Samsung has actually implemented it system-wide. And while the animations look beautiful, Samsung also optimized them to be faster, so the phone actually feels more responsive. This is not just visual redesign, it's a performance upgrade disguised as eye candy. The lock screen also gets a massive redesign in One UI 8.5. Samsung now offers adaptive depth wallpapers, which add dynamic shadows and lighting based on how you move your phone. Think of it like a mini 3D environment living behind your lock screen. Notifications now float with a transparent glass effect, giving the lock screen a premium, futuristic aesthetic. Samsung has also refined the always on display with smoother transitions when waking the phone. If you tilt the device, the clock UI subtly shifts its perspective. It's a small detail, but it makes the entire experience feel alive. Once you unlock the phone, the home screen shows even bigger improvements. Icons have a softer, rounder shape with more uniform spacing, and Samsung has quietly improved color consistency. Widgets now support adaptive theming. They automatically adjust colors based on your wallpaper, making the home screen look more cohesive. But the biggest change is the new Widget Stack 2.0 system. Samsung now allows intelligent widget stacking that automatically rotates the widget you'll need next. For example, your weather widget appears in the morning, your calendar widget appears before your next meeting, and your music widget appears when you connect your earbuds. It's all powered by local on-device AI, meaning it works without sending your data to cloud services. One UI 8.5 also transforms the quick settings panel. Samsung heard the complaints and delivered a much cleaner layout, bigger toggles, better spacing, and rounded neon glass effects that look modern without being flashy. The new brightness slider has a heat map style animation that reacts to your swipe speed. There's also a new ultra-quick toggle bar at the top that appears when you swipe halfway. Perfect for quick actions without fully opening the panel. These changes may sound small, but they add up to a dramatically smoother daily experience. Now let's talk about the part everyone's waiting for, Samsung's AI upgrades. One UI 8.5 introduces Galaxy AI 3.0, and this version brings real, usable tools that don't feel gimmicky. The new live preview AI wallpaper generator can create wallpapers that match your outfit, your surroundings, or even your mood. Scene Understanding AI can analyze your photos and suggest instant edits like lighting adjustments, background blur, or sky replacement. There's also the new Conversational Assistant, which can summarize emails, rewrite messages in different tones, and even auto-fill forms using your past patterns. And the best part, most AI features work offline thanks to Samsung's new on-device model. Faster and more private. Samsung has also made multitasking smarter. The new split view gesture lets you drag any app from the bottom bar directly into split screen with just a single pull and drop motion. You can also pin floating windows so they stay open while switching apps, making Galaxy devices feel closer to a desktop environment. If you're using a foldable device like the Galaxy Z Fold, One UI 8.5 takes it to the next level with adaptive app layouts that reshape UI elements in real time as you open or close the phone. It looks and feels incredibly futuristic. The keyboard has been redesigned too. Samsung has finally introduced predictive sentence completion, not just word suggestions. It learns your writing style and can complete full phrases based on your previous messages. There's also a new AI voice typing mode that's faster, more accurate, and capable of adding punctuation automatically. For creators, the new Studio Editor tools integrated into the gallery allow cinematic video edits, frame-by-frame object removal, AI color grading, and instant foreground isolation for reels and shorts. Performance-wise, One UI 8.5 is surprisingly optimized. Samsung claims up to 12% smoother scrolling, faster app launch times, and better thermal control during gaming. RAM management has been improved so apps stay in memory longer, meaning fewer reloads. Battery life also gets a boost thanks to intelligent power mapping, which analyzes your usage patterns and reduces background activity from apps you rarely open. Security gets a major upgrade too. One UI 8.5 introduces privacy lock zones, specific folders or apps that automatically lock when you leave a trusted location. There's also a new micro permission control system that allows one-time access to sensors like the microphone or camera for just a few seconds. Plus, the updated security dashboard gives clearer insights into what apps are tracking and how often. Overall, One UI 8.5 feels like Samsung finally blending beauty, speed AI, and customization into one polished package. It isn't just a software update, it's a leap into a more fluid, intelligent, and personalized smartphone experience. Whether you're using a Galaxy S Z Fold, Z Flip, or A series device, this update will make your phone feel cleaner, faster, smarter, and far more modern. And the best part, this is just the beginning. Samsung is already preparing One UI 9.2, but if 8.5 looks this impressive, the future of Galaxy is about to look unbelievable.